Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my braid out routine for moisturized and defined hair. For the braid out, I'm using warm water in a spray bottle, jojoba oil, satin scrunchies to section my hair, the Main Choice leave-in lotion from the Ancient Egyptian Anti-Breakage collection, and the Miss Jessie's leave-in condition. And I like to spray my hair with warm water before applying the leave-ins, because since my hair is low porosity, it helps my hair absorb the products more easily. And warm water helps open the cuticles of your hair shaft, which allows the products to penetrate your hair. And the reason why I'm using two different leave-ins is because I've used these products separately in the past for wash and goes and twist outs. And I've noticed that the Main Choice leave-in is better for moisture and the Miss Jessie's leave-in is better for hold. So by combining the two products together, I was able to have great moisture and great hold. And I also love this jojoba oil, and I use it in literally like every video because it helps to seal the moisture into my hair and it makes my hair really shiny. I also braid my hair using the underhand braiding method, which is the same technique that's used to do cornrows and Dutch braids. And this is very random, but I just remembered that when I was like in middle school, if you were able to do a fishtail braid, you were like the coolest person ever. I just thought of that because of all this braid talk, but comment below if you remember clout coming from doing a fishtail to someone else, because that was the epitome of being cool back then. And now it's actually 2 days later and I'm taking down the braids finally. And I also add more jojoba oil to my hands when taking down the braids so that I don't add any unnecessary frizz when braiding, separating, and shaping my hair. And even though the main reason why it's 2 days later is because I was being lazy, sometimes I also leave the braids in for 2 days on purpose because this gives your braid out way more definition after you take it down because the braids have twice as long to set. And I just wore my braids in a bun in a protective style during those 2 days. And this was the final braid out. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to like this video, comment below any of your tips for a perfect braid out, and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.